Hi, in this video I will show how to use application for creating subfolder tree structure from Excel file. You can see on my Excel file I have state information with following columns: state name, state code, region, subregion. And I don't have Excel installed on this computer. It's a free Excel mobile version from Microsoft. It's showing what is inside the Excel file, but it doesn't have a possibility to change anything in it. So it's just read-only mode, and I cannot change even column row name. But it's not important. I will just show you what is inside it, and I will be using this file for create a tree structure in following way. So I want top of the root file to be a region. So it will be west, south, northeast, midwest, and second level will be subregion, which is Pacific, Mountain, New England, South Atlantic, and so on. And third will be state name. So all states that belongs to West will be in, for example, Alaska will be in Pacific, which will be in West. It's like 3 levels entry. And last, maybe I want folder with a state code, just Alaska and then a K-state code folder in it. So in order to do this, I will download application from this website. I will leave link to site into description. To find the application, I'll click on search and type Excel to, I need subfolders, and I need this create subfolders page, and I will click subfolders from Excel. And then I click on download. So this file, and wait till here archive will be downloaded. So this file, it's called states Excel, and it's stored into my document folder. And it contains all information. Not all, I think Alabama is missing, but it doesn't matter. It contains like 50 states. You may have a different rows, different columns, or different structure. But it doesn't matter, because if you in application you will have to specify column for level 1, for level 2, for level 1, for level 2, for level 3, and for level 4 if I want. And that will create our entire structure automatically. Let me show you how. So archive has been downloaded. I'll click on downloaded archive, double click on MSI, and click on more info here. I'm getting the screen from Windows because I'm not registered publisher with Microsoft. I can see publisher unknown. So I'll just click run anyway to start installation, click on next install, click on yes, and click on finish on final screen. And you can see application has been installed on my computer. I have a new shortcut, subfolders from Excel, on my computer. Now I can close this and this and this. So also I will need to specify where these files will be created. So I want to create them to folder test. So this is C folder test is my root. It will create all region in here. In every region it will create subregion. In every subregion it will create state, and so on. So folder creation is three steps process. So I'll double click on application shortcut to launch app. Now on step 1 I'm ready to specify Excel file. I will click on this create input, navigate to my states Excel, right? States Excel. Click on open and click on next step. This is a step. If my Excel has first row has column names, I leave it check, because it's normally how Excel table look like. It's always first column is column names. Here I can specify for level columns for level for every level. You may have a different column, you may have different name, but that's okay until when you specify column names, it will work. It will create specific folders. And for example, I want region to be level 2, subregion to be level, region to be level 1, subregion to be level 2, state name to be level 3. And I can create a state code level 4, or I can leave it empty. Level 4 will not be created. It's also okay. I'll click on next tab. I can click preview, and it's asking me for name and location of root folder. So I will go and select folder test as my root. Click OK, and you can see following folders were created in folder test. And it will create all this. You see how it's creating. It's Pacific, Alaska, Mountain, Arizona, and Mountain, Colorado, and so on. New England, Connecticut, and so on. It will create only states that exist for this subregion. And if I click Save Result, it will show me that it's created all folders in here. And let's go and see folders. This is my folder test. Folders already created. So you can see Midwest has a East, North, Central, and West, North, Central. Only these subregions belong to Midwest region, and this is only states for this Midwest. And you can see there is a like region, subregion, state, and state code. This is how it creates from my Excel file. As again, your Excel file will be different, and maybe you envision different structure, but as long as there is a records into Excel file, let's go to this Excel file, open it again, please. I can open with Excel Mobile. You see, as a region, subregion Mountain is into region West, and Arizona is only states into this mountain, and Idaho. When I go to my folder, right, and I go to region West, subregion Mountain, and I see Idaho, and Colorado is here, and Arizona is here. Only these states, only because this record exists that tie all levels into one record. Yeah, so basically that's it. If you have any questions, please leave them in comments below. Give this application a try and let me know if it works for you. If you want to see more application like this and more videos like this, please consider subscribing to my channel and like this video. Thank you.